Don't waste your time making any other salad. This is the only recipe you'll need. This is classic Thai green papaya salad. Here's how we make it. To make this recipe, you'll need some fresh herbs. You'll need some fresh cilantro, fresh basil, and fresh mint. Thai basil works best for this recipe. You'll need some grape tomatoes or slices of tomatoes. You'll need some green beans. We've taken these green beans, we've charred them, and then we've let them cool. You'll need peanuts, fish sauce, brown sugar. You'll need some ginger. You'll need some Thai bird chilies. These chilies are really hot. One chili will flavor the whole dish. You'll need some fresh lime juice. You'll need a carrot that has been julienned. You'll need garlic, a shallot, and most importantly, you'll need a green papaya. A green papaya is an unripe papaya that makes a delicious, crunchy salad. First, you'll want to make a sauce. The easiest way to make a sauce is to use one of these mortar and pestles. So you'll want to add a little bit of cilantro, some ginger. We're going to chop this so that it'll combine easily. Some garlic. And some shallot. We want to peel this one shallot and chop it. We want to chop all of our ingredients so that they will combine nicely. We're going to take that one Thai bird chili and put that right in there. We're going to make this into a paste. So whenever you hear the noise that this mortar and pestle makes, it's kind of like a pock noise. And whenever you hear that sound, you know something good is about to be made. You'll want to mince this in your mortar and pestle for about 3 minutes. Just so that all the ingredients combine nicely. Okay, now that that has chopped, this is so nice and fragrant. I'm going to add a little brown sugar to this. You want about 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then I'm going to add a little bit of fresh lime juice. And you want about a whole lime in this recipe. I want to get a little bit more of this lime juice out of this lime, so I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to use that as my juicer and squeeze it right into our dressing. Then you'll want to add some fish sauce. You want to add about 1 tablespoon. Now combine this some more. Now your dressing is ready for your ingredients. Now it's time to add our other ingredients into this salad. The main ingredient is our green papaya, and these unripe papayas are used to make soups and also to use in a salad like we're making today. To use it, we're going to peel our papaya, and we're going to use a julienne peeler. You can use your own knife and julienne this yourself. Julienne means long thin strips, and when you go to culinary school, there's specific measurements you have to follow to be properly julienne, but all it really means is long thin strips. So this is almost all peeled, and we're going to start using our julienne peeler. And let me show you what a julienne peeler looks like. This julienne peeler has teeth and a flat side, which allows you to peel these into little strips. So let's go ahead and start. The middle of a papaya like this has seeds, and when the papaya is mature or ripe, it is black seeds. In the middle of these, it's a white seed, and I'll show you when we get down there. You'll want to peel about half of a papaya into this per serving of salad. And you'll want to peel until you get to the seed. Okay, now I have shaved about half of this papaya and I made it to the seeds. As you see, the seeds are white and they turn dark as the papaya gets ripe. So we've got a whole bunch of nice shredded papaya here. We're going to add to this some shredded carrots and our fresh herbs. We've got basil here. I'm going to put this in there. I'm going to add this to our dish. And I have some mint, fresh mint here. The salad is best when you, all these flavors combine here in our mortar and pestle. When you combine all these ingredients in here, it brings out flavors of every ingredient and blends them together to make them taste great. I'm going to add some green beans to this. Now in Thailand, they're going to use long beans instead of green beans. But here in America, the long beans are harder to get. Okay, now our salad is almost done. We're going to add some peanuts to it just to add a little bit more fragrance. Okay, our salad is ready and this smells so good and it's ready to serve as is. You can serve them in little containers. You can serve them in one big plate in the middle of the table, or in Thailand on the street when they make this, they serve it in newspaper. Now this dish has the perfect balance of salty, sweet, and sour, as every Southeast Asian dish should have. Not only does it have those, it has the crunch of peanuts, the crunch of green papaya and carrots, and all the fragrance of those fresh herbs. It's even got a little heat. The bite of the Thai chili that's in there. This dish has so many interesting textures and flavors, it'll be gone before you know it. Where do papayas come from? They're grown best in warm areas. If it frosts, it won't survive. Papayas grow in Mexico, in Panama, Southeast Asia, and South China. And here's a fun fact. The only two U.S. states that grow papaya are Hawaii and Florida.